Got it.
Just a quick look at your boarding pass, please. Thank you. Mr. Nguyen is going to be the other side for you.
Yes.
Just go on.
Yeah, thank you.
Jó, és akkor úgy tetszene, ha apát.
Are you bowing down? Azért ez egy emberi sziára.
We're about to show you the safety features of this Emirates in front of you. Please fasten your seatbelt whenever the seatbelt symbol is illuminated. Adjust the belt by pulling the strap and lift your metal flag to unfasten the belt. Push the slip shut in place and fasten the seatbelt over your blanket so that it will not have to disturb you. Take off the blanket, laptops will be switched on and displayed correctly. Any mobile phones or tablets should be put into flight mode. After takeoff, you will let you know when you can turn on Wi-Fi and mobile roaming. If you need to both of those seats, ask your cabin crew to help you find them. Not because of seats, this may damage your phone and the battery. It is illegal to smoke on the unlike the event of an emergency landing. Brace yourself like this in case you see the front. Or where that's not possible, brace by lifting as far forward as you can with your arms tucked under your legs. The safety card in your seat pocket shows the life jacket location under or to the side of the seat. When instructed, remove the taper and pull it together. Bring the tape around your waist, fasten it front, pull it firmly to secure. Only insert your life jacket when leaving the aircraft by pulling the two red toggles sharply downwards. You can also inflate or top up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece at the top of your whistle to attract attention. Unlike the event of a landing on water, cabin crew will distribute life jackets for infants and children. Take a moment to locate the emergency exit nearest to your seat and آخر عناوين الأخبار المصرية في العالم التي عبر البث المباشر مع الاتصال مع الأهل والأصدقاء عبر Robert Park Castle and lots of entertainment for you to explore. Challenge yourself with one of our fun games, or play against someone else and prove you're the champ. Switch to the airship channel to know exactly where you are in the world, find out what's below, how fast we're flying and when we'll arrive, or simply enjoy the view without external cameras. Stay up to date with live events and headline updates throughout the flight.
Sure, you will
Or
not change
connect
his
via
mind.
mobile
Okay,
data
in case I
or
need
contact Wi-Fi and share your trip with family and friends. Join Emirates Skywards. Join the many benefits of our frequent flyer program. Ask your crew how to join now and earn miles for this flight. Donate to the Emirates Airline Foundation. Credit or debit cards. Just ask one of your cabin crew. Welcome on board. And welcome to ICE.